everybody, it's Mindy. So welcome to my channel today. This one's going to be a little short because, well, there's a story. I'm going to make it a short story. It could be a long story, but I'm making it a short story. Anyhow, this is from New Craft Day. And they have a different way for us to like request items from them. And so I had 2 items and they sent me a code so I could go get it for free. And then I changed one thing to one different style, same item, just a different picture, and then the code wouldn't work. So it got messed up. I only ended up with this one item. So we're going to look at it. I don't remember what it is now, but let's look at the one item, and then I'll know in the future I can't mess with the order. Once they send me a code, I can't mess with the order at all. So anyhow, told you, short. Okay, so let's get into it and let's see what I got. What did I get from New Craft Day? Of course, I will have it linked below so you can find it quickly and easily if you are interested. So I love that they're putting in this little piece of styrofoam now. It really helps when you have these acrylic pieces so that they do not break. I love it. Okay, what do we have going on here? All right. Okay. We're almost there. Come on. Sometimes the sticky stuff fights back hard. All right. This is interesting. Sometimes you'll get a round base like this. I have several pieces that have a round base versus the oval one. I don't know what the difference is, but okay, here's the toolkit. Comes with all of their items. Look at the drills. They came in pre-bag little baggies. All right. Okay. Well, there she is. Here she is, folks. We got us a fairy. We got us a fairy, a pretty little fairy with roses. She's very red, lots of red and pink. So I'm assuming that's what our colors or our drills are all going to be. So she's super cute. Here's her wings. She's got a little heart for the top of her dress. Her little bodice of her dress is a heart. She's got a little ballet slipper shoes on. She's super cute. Look at them ears. Look at them ears. Okay, you don't put any drills on the skin, the eyes, those ears. But she's super cute. There is a film on this on both sides, so make sure you peel that off when you're done. All right, she's super cute. Like I said, this is going to be short because there's not a whole lot to show you. I mean, I have one item, and I could put her in the rotation. I mean, we're still doing Smashing the Specials for a while. I could just toss her in my box. All right, sometimes I don't know what to work on next. I don't know what to work on. Okay, what do we have? We have clear rhinestones. We have red. We have green. We have a little bit of blue. Oh, 2 shades of blue. Those 2 shades of blue. This is like a burnt orangey color. What's this one? Peachy color. Peachy colored rhinestone. Then we have 3 special drills. Okay, it's the same one. So like, this is funny. We have itty bitty little round red, medium round red, large round red. So those are our special drills. All right. I like that they came in baggies. That makes it like so much easier to just pull something out and start working on it. So like I said, I will have it linked below, and you can go check her out if you are interested. And that's about it, folks. Like I said, short and sweet. Let me zoom you in. Let me zoom you in on her cuteness before we say goodbye. She is adorable. She is very adorable. I don't think it would take too long. I mean, there's not a ton of drills even, so I don't think she would take too long. Anyhow, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for spending a whole, like, less than 5 minutes with me. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.